Hi, I'm Lori with Team Gabriel, Coldwell Banker, and I'm standing in our newest listing at 5 Knox Street in Enfield, Connecticut. Check out this beautiful kitchen. I love that they have the whitewashed cabinets. There's plentiful cabinets, a whole bunch of storage in this kitchen, plus your appliances are here. We have crown molding, nice recessed lighting, and I absolutely love this plant sill window. Isn't that beautiful? You can put all of your herbs there and they can grow all year long. Plus you have the double sink, your dishwasher, and everything you need along with tile flooring. So today, I'm standing at 5 Knox Street in Enfield, Connecticut, and I am talking to the owners of this house. We have Miss Sophia, Miss Emma, and Mr. Justin. Can you guys tell me your favorite part of this house? You want to go first? What's your favorite part, Emma? Oh, how about you? Living room. Okay, what else is favorite about this house? How about what's in the backyard?
Playscape.
Ah, playscape. What else? Say it again. Oh, croquette. Is there a pool? Is there a swimming pool? Is that fun in the summer? Yeah, there's a swimming pool and a big deck, and it's fenced in so you can run around. And do you have a dog?
Yes.
So then it can stay in the yard, right?
Yes.
So fenced in yards are awesome, right? Gotta have it. So we're gonna walk around and I'm gonna point out a few things. You wanna say goodbye?
Bye.
So some special features include nice extra cabinets over here, wonderful for a dry bar. There's also nice eating kitchen space. First floor laundry. We have a mudroom that leads to the back deck, the fenced in yard, and the pool like the children were telling you about. It has a nice combination, living room, dining room area. You can hear me echoing because it's so large and spacious. It has recessed lighting, which is always nice and bright. It has a couple of French doors that lead to the exterior. Most of these windows are tilt-in. They're in good condition, plus hardwood floors throughout the whole home. You have a suite with a walk-in closet and a nice full bath. And your main bath has double sinks. It's quite large with a tub shower. You have central air in this home. It has a Weil McClain boiler for heating. It has a big family room downstairs with a big bar and a great family room. It would fit a big pool table and couches and TVs and everything you could want, plus plentiful storage. It has steel I-beams holding up this home. It's a very well-built home, and it's located in a wonderful, convenient location, right near the highways and restaurants and everything that you would need in Enfield. If you'd like to get more information about this home, give me a call at 860-618-6233 or check us out on our website at teamgabriel.net. We look forward to hearing from you.